Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will set up the basics now. Create a virtual environment and install a client library that matches your database. For Postgres, use Psycop2. For MySQL, use PyMySQL. For SQL Server, use PyOd. Next, assemble a connection string with host, port, database, user, password, and any driver or SSL flags required. Once done, run a simple connection test snippet and confirm the client can reach the server. This first verification prevents wasted debugging later. Now you will run queries and handle results. Open a connection and acquire a cursor. Execute parameterized statements rather than string formatting so you avoid injection risks. Fetch results with fetchon or fetchall, or iterate over a server-side cursor for large tables to save memory. Wrap multiple related operations in a transaction, commit when successful, and call rollback on exceptions. Once comfortable, consider using connection pooling or an ORM like SQLAlchzyme for cleaner session and transaction management. Finish by ensuring resources are released. Close cursors and connections, or better, use context managers so Python handles cleanup automatically. For web or long-running services, add a connection pool and reconnection logic so transient network issues don't break your app. Migrations and schema tools finalize structure changes. If things go wrong, check one key item first. Authentication and driver mismatch, verify credentials, driver name, and that your client library supports the server TLS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.